Hey there, it's Kayla again from Two Virtual Savvy Sisters, and today I want to share some tips and tricks when using Instagram stories. Now, there are so many different features you can use, but for right now, I just want to show you some of the stickers and GIFs. So I just took a quick photo of my workspace and wrote some text saying that we just launched our new program. Now I can go ahead and share it just like that, or I could definitely add a few pieces to it to reach some more people. So by tapping on the sticker button up at the top, you will see many different stickers pop up that you can use. And these change regularly, but here's something to keep in mind. These first few stickers are what's trending, and when you use them, Instagram actually pushes your story ahead of others. So for my story today, my sticker is going to be this one, and I'm going to add an excited GIF. And I love using these ones with people. It just adds some more liveliness and energy and personality to your story. So now I'm going to show you how you can expand your reach by using the location, the mention, and the hashtag stickers. So first, let's go ahead and use the location. So here you can type in the actual location you are at, or you can choose to use a different location in which your ideal customer or client would be using as well, or searching up. So I'm going to use Nashville. I'm not in Nashville, but I love Nashville, so I'm going to use that. And you can actually tap on it to change the look of it, or you can squeeze it, pinch it really tight, and hide it so that nobody sees it. Okay, so now we are going to use the hashtag, and we are going to put systems that scale. And I like to always pinch and hide the stickers. Just to mention another quick thing about hashtags in your stories, you can have up to 10 hashtags. So what you would do is just click on the text, and you can go ahead and add your hashtags here. So once you have more hashtags that you want to put on your story, you can go ahead and hide them if you want, just behind a sticker or a GIF or anything you have in your story. Now let's talk about the mention. So here you can mention any products that are visible, or any other accounts that are visible or relevant to your story, or you can also mention other companies. So in this story, I'm actually just going to tag myself. And if you don't like the bulkiness of the mention, you can delete that and just do it with text, just by putting the @ and tagging. In this way you can change the font as well as the colors. So you can just go ahead and play around with that. So I hope these tips and tricks help you expand your reach with your Instagram stories.